Hello and welcome. I am Tahir. In this video, I will show you how you can delete or remove Linux Mint from Windows Dual Boot. On this machine, I have installed Linux Mint alongside Windows 7. And now I want to remove Linux Mint and I will keep Windows 7. So simply you need to restart your computer and log into Windows 7. Now I will log into Windows 7. And once you are logged into Windows 7, you need to download a program. It's called EasyBCD. Now start EasyBCD program. Go to BCD deployment and choose install the Vista Plus BCD and click write MBR. Now go to edit boot menu and choose Windows 7 and also choose skip the boot menu option and save your changes. Now right click on my computer and go to manage and disk management. Now you need to delete the partition. Here you can see around 50 GB partition. I am going to delete this one and another 975 MB partition. After deleting both partition, choose again and delete partition. And now you can create a new partition or you can extend your volume. Click next, next and finish. And now you can see we have successfully extended our partition. Now you can restart your computer and you should not see Linux Mint option. You should directly log into your Windows system. Here you can see we have successfully removed Linux. We have successfully deleted Linux Mint from the dual boot option, and now we can log into Windows 7. So this is how easily you can delete Linux Mint or any other distribution from the Windows dual boot. Thank you very much for watching this video.